This is the tutorial 7.3 for the GIS Tutorial 1 workbook. I'm on page 268. In section 1 we digitized some polygons, and in section 2, tutorial 2, we digitized some lines, and in this one we're going to create a layer of points. So the first thing we want to do is do a save as, and we're going to call this 7.3. I'm going to leave my name on the end of it. Click on Save. And then we want to go to the Windows catalog. That's in my exercises, Chapter 7. Okay, there's Chapter 7.gdb, and we want to right-click on it and say that we want a new, let's try that again, new feature class. The name of it is going to be Bus Stops. It is going to be points, so choose Point Features. Click Next. And we want NAD 1983 for Pennsylvania South, and it should still be there from our previous ones. Click on that. Click on Next 3 times. And we're going to add a field called Stop Name _ name. And the type of this is going to be text. Click Finish. Close the catalog. Yeah, they always skip this step. Close the catalog. Turn snapping off. So let's see, we want to go to our snapping toolbar, which is still here from before. And we want to deselect the endpoint and vertex buttons. So turn that off and turn that off. So all snapping options are off. Now we're on Prepare the Map and Digitize Points. In the table of contents, click the legend symbol for the bus stops layer. So there's our legend symbol. We want it to be Circle 2, Mars Red, and size 8. So here's Circle 2. I think that is Mars Red, and we want the size to be 8. Click OK. Now we want to zoom to the Center Avenue route bookmark. So let's go to our bookmarks up here, and there's a Center Avenue route. From the Editor toolbar, click Editor, Start Editing. Bus stops is what we want to edit. Click OK. On the Editor toolbar, click the Create Features button. Okay, Create Features is already visible. That would be over here. Okay, click Bus Stops. Down here we want it to be a point. And then we want to place the following approximate bus stop points along the Center Avenue route. So it looks like we want one on, it looks like we've got one on each side here. And right here we've got one on, looks like on this side and on this side. And same thing up here, this side and this side. And right at this intersection, here and here. Looks like they might have 3 there. I'm not sure why they have 3 there. And it looks like we have 3 here as well. And over here we have one around where the road bends. We have another one where it intersects with this road, and then we have 2 on the end right here. Number 8, when finished, click Editor, Stop Editing. And then yes, we want to save our edits. And if you turn to page 270, there are a bunch of other points they want you to put in. And we will not do that in the video. You can do that on your own. Okay, I've added in the bus stops, and if I zoom out here, let's go to the full extent. This should be pretty close to what you see on the top of page 270, and that's what your map should look like as well.